Hey, it's Roman with Deer Park Farmstead. We are getting our breeding program going, so that means we had to change a lot of these birds around. They were just kind of intermixing just to get through the winter, but we have to prepare. We've got some orders to fill, and we've got some people waiting for our birds. So I'll show you what I did, and how we got everything all ready to go for the breeding program 2021. All right, this was the grow out area, but now it's the Easter egger / Americana type style birds, blue egg layers. We have them all in here now. We noticed that this one right there is another rooster, so we'll just keep one other rooster besides Napoleon he's over there. So he's gonna be our main guy, and then we have this other guy. He's a little young yet, but we'll let him grow up and do his job in here. We have the mosaics in here. None of our cochins made it. It's some kind of a predator issue. They got out, and that was unfortunate. So I'm just gonna press on. Then we'll go over here to the Marans. This is where the Marans and olive eggers are going to be. We've got this rooster here, and there's another one inside of here. Both these coops are going to be going bye-bye later on in the season. We're going to take it all down and use one of our little outbuildings to be the main coop. We had a few of these hens that were in the grow out area, and now they're all in here now. So we've got plenty of Marans, and they are laying some beautiful dark eggs, and we're getting some pretty dark eggs out of the olive eggers as well. We do have one more grow out that's kind of getting there. That's gonna go in the last coop area that I'm going to show you, which is the Legbar area. We have our Tom looking as good as ever, protecting the flock over here. There's a couple of our Legbars, and got quite a few more over here. We've got two roosters, two Legbar roosters in here. This one's kind of a young one, but he's already showing that he is good to go as far as breeding. So then back in the back over there is McLovin, and we have a few little odd ones. We've got this Leghorn, a couple Buff Orpingtons, and our Wellsummers in here. But they lay some really big eggs in here, and they've been going at it. This thing fell over. We had to redo it, so I have to make a repair over here. But they've been laying some good eggs, and everything's going well so far. Ooh, nice warm one. This is the Easter eggers. It's a beautiful egg, huh? Starting to rain and get a little cold here. We're gonna get a cold spell pretty soon here. So I'm gonna go in right now, but we candled our incubator, and there wasn't that many. So it's just not quite that time to start doing the incubating yet. We got 13 that weren't fertile out of the 40. So, you know, we're gonna just wait a little while. These guys will get busy, and we'll go from there. Hope you guys enjoyed the footage and how we're gonna do our breeding program this year. We're excited.